Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am Pranab Kishore Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we are diving into a big question: digital marketing versus traditional marketing. If you've ever wondered which one is better, or if you are curious about what each one involves, then this video is for you. We'll break down the pros and cons of each, and by the end, you'll know exactly which marketing approach might work best for you. So, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is what we might call the old-school method of marketing, but that doesn't mean it's out of style. Traditional marketing has been around for decades and includes things like TV commercials, radio ads, print ads like newspapers and magazines, billboards, flyers and posters. Now, each of these forms of advertising has its unique strengths. TV commercials, for instance, can reach millions of people at once, making them powerful for brand awareness. Radio is similar but is targeted at people on the go, like those driving to work. Newspapers and magazines offer a physical way to reach people, while billboards and flyers reach local audiences. All right, let's look at some of the advantages of traditional marketing. Wider reach. Traditional marketing has a broad reach. TV ads, for example, can reach millions of people instantly, and print media can reach audiences that might not spend much time online. Long-lasting impact. Think about a billboard or a newspaper ad. Unlike a social media post that might disappear from the feed in seconds, these physical ads stick around for a while. People passing by that billboard will see it every day. Easy to understand. Traditional marketing is familiar to everyone. Whether it's flipping through a magazine or seeing a TV ad, we've been exposed to this style for years, so it's easy to understand and doesn't require internet access. Builds brand trust. People tend to trust established media channels like TV, radio, and newspapers. Being featured in these can increase the credibility of a brand, giving people a sense of familiarity. But, traditional marketing isn't perfect, and it does have some downsides. Let's look at a few of those. High cost. Traditional marketing can be expensive. TV ads, for example, can cost thousands of dollars for just a short slot, and even a single billboard can be pricey. Limited targeting. One big downside is the lack of targeted reach. With traditional marketing, it's harder to target specific audiences. If you are running a TV ad, you can't directly control who's watching it. No real-time tracking. Another drawback is the difficulty in measuring results in real time. If you run a TV ad, you can't see exactly how many people took action because of it, which makes it hard to measure success directly. All right, let's move on to digital marketing. Digital marketing is any marketing that happens online or through electronic devices. The internet has given us a huge number of ways to market products and services, such as social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, blogs, videos, etc. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. Each of these methods is designed to reach people online and make use of data and analytics to get the most out of every dollar spent. Let's talk about some of the major benefits of digital marketing and why it's become so popular. Cost-effective. Digital marketing is often much cheaper than traditional marketing. Running ads on social media platforms, for example, is often more affordable than buying TV spots, and it allows even small businesses to reach a large audience. Targeted reach. Digital marketing allows for detailed targeting options. You can select your audience based on age, location, interests, and even online behavior. This means your ads are shown to people most likely to be interested in what you are offering. Real-time tracking and analytics. One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is that you can track your results in real time. If you are running a Facebook ad, for example, you can see how many people are clicking, sharing, and even buying your product right away. Wide range of platforms. With digital marketing, you have access to multiple platforms where you can showcase your brand and products. Whether it's Instagram for visuals, LinkedIn for professional connections, or YouTube for videos, there's a platform for every business need. Engagement and interaction. Digital marketing allows brands to interact directly with their audience. Social media lets businesses respond to comments, answer questions, and even hold Q&A sessions, which builds a stronger relationship with customers. Just like traditional marketing, digital marketing also has its downsides. Let's take a look at a few. Requires skills and expertise. To make the most of digital marketing, you need some skills and expertise. You need to understand things like social media algorithms, SEO, and ad targeting, which can be tricky for beginners. High competition. With digital marketing, everyone from small startups to big corporations is competing for attention. This means it can be hard to stand out, especially if you are working with a limited budget. Privacy and data concerns. With digital marketing, user privacy is a big concern. People are becoming more aware of data usage and can feel uneasy about targeted ads. New privacy laws also mean businesses have to be careful about how they collect and use data. Constantly changing algorithms. Digital platforms are always updating their algorithms. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, which means marketers have to keep learning and adapting. Alright, now that we've looked at the pros and cons of both traditional and digital marketing, let's answer the big question: which one should you choose? Well, it depends on a few factors. Audience. If you are targeting an older audience that may not be as active online, traditional marketing could be more effective. For example, many people still listen to the radio or read newspapers daily. However, if you are targeting younger, tech-savvy customers, digital marketing might be a better fit. Budget. Traditional marketing, like TV ads, can be costly. If you are working with a smaller budget, digital marketing allows you to reach people affordably and effectively. Measurable results. If tracking your campaign's performance is essential, digital marketing gives you real-time data that traditional marketing can't provide. You can track your progress, see what's working, and adjust your strategies as you go. Long-term branding versus instant interaction. Traditional marketing is great for building long-term brand recognition, but it lacks interaction. Digital marketing, on the other hand, offers immediate engagement with your audience. Now, here's a tip that might surprise you. You don't have to choose between traditional and digital marketing. Many successful companies use a mix of both. This is called an integrated marketing approach, where you use the strengths of both methods. Creating an integrated strategy. For example, you could run a TV ad campaign to build brand awareness, and then use social media to engage with customers. Or you could print flyers with a QR code that leads people to your website. Making the most of each platform. An integrated approach allows you to reach a broader audience, keep your brand consistent, and get the best of both worlds. For instance, if you are running a campaign for a big event, you might use traditional media for mass exposure and digital media for deeper engagement. So, in conclusion, both digital and traditional marketing have their unique advantages and disadvantages. The choice between the two depends on your business goals, target audience, and budget. Traditional marketing gives you a broad reach and long-lasting impact, while digital marketing provides cost-effective targeting and real-time engagement. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Experiment, analyze your results, and don't be afraid to combine both methods to find what works best for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights on marketing. See you in the next video.